5 best work at home for introverts. Unlock the top 5 work from home jobs that combine flexibility and earning potential. Discover your perfect remote role today. So, hi guys, and welcome in this video. I'll show you step by step how you can use these 5 jobs to start earning money with it. So first one we have Promos. So to make money on Promos, you can just start by signing up as a contributor on their platform. Offers a variety of tasks, often involving data collection and local research, which can include taking photos, answering surveys, or providing other location-based information. Once you are registered, browse the available tasks in your area and select ones that match your interests and expertise. Complete these tasks accurately and efficiently to earn money, as you typically receive payment upon task completion and review. The key to maximizing your earnings is to stay active on the platform, quickly accept and complete tasks, and consistently deliver high quality work to build a good reputation and gain access to more opportunities. So this is how it works with Promos. And first, if you want to find Promos, all you have to do is go to Google Play and write Promos. So this is the application, how it looks. You can just click over install to submit the application, and here we have earn money, completion task survey, or taking photos. And also we have here how it looks with Promos. You have also videos here, you click over it to more understand about how it works with Promos.com. You can also use other option by go to open your browser and dive into promos.com, and then you sign up and you get started with Promos. So the next one we have here, Fairfiction. So the Fairfiction, it's websites that specializes in UX research, helping you understand the expectations and behavior of your users. On this website, your application remotely or in a person will help you convert your customer needs into actionable improvements and positive impacts for your business, society, and the planet. We call this UX for good. So to make money on Fairfiction, you have to start by signing up as a tester on their platform. Fairfiction specializes in usability testing and user feedback for websites and apps. Once you are registered, you'll have access to various testing opportunities where you evaluate digital products based on user experience criteria. You will complete tasks such as navigating websites or apps, providing detailed feedback on your experience, and reporting any issues or suggestions for improvement. Payment is typically made upon the successful completion of these tests and submission of your feedback. To maximize your earning, stay engaged with the platform. Respond quickly to testing invitations and deliver through high quality feedback to build a strong profile and increase your chances of getting more testing opportunities. This is how it works with Fairfiction, and let's move on to the next one. We have Survey Time. So to earn money on Survey Time, all I have to do first is start by signing up for an account on their platform. So you choose the first option is by Google, and then Facebook. Also, you can use your email. You write your email address and your password, and then you click over Start Now. And if we scroll down, we have here how does Survey Time work. So first, I will say what is Survey Time and how it works. Survey Time connects users with paid surveys from various market research companies. So then, if you wanna work, all you have to do is sign up for Survey Time for free. Tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey, and then start earning cash for surveys. For each survey you complete, you get an instant money reward. And then we have here, why should I use Survey Time? First, we have low withdrawal threshold, surveys for you, never miss a new survey, choose your reward, and then Survey Time is global. And then we have other information like what is Survey Time. So to make money on Survey Times, once registered, you will receive notification about available surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Complete your surveys honestly and thoroughly to earn rewards. As Survey Time offers a fixed payment of $1 for each survey completed, payments are typically processed quickly, often via PayPal or gift cards, making it a straightforward way to earn money. To maximize your earnings, regularly check for new surveys, Be prompt and respondent to invitations and ensure you meet the qualification criteria for each survey to increase your opportunities for earning. So this is it with for survey time, and let's move on to the next one. We have PaperThrough. So to make money on PaperThrough, all you have to do is start by signing up, and then after your registration, all you have to do is you will be able to take on editing assignments where you review and refine documents such as academic papers, business reports, or manuscripts to improve their clarity, coherence, and overall quality. Ensure that you have a strong grasp of grammar, style, and formatting rules to provide high quality edits. Your earnings will depend on the number of assignments you complete and their complexity. To maximize your income, maintain a high standard of work, meet deadline, and build a positive reputation on the platform, which can lead to more and higher paying assignments over time. So this is how it works with PaperThrough, and let's move on to the next one. We have Metro Opinion. So to make money on Metro Opinion, first of all, you have to choose your country. So we choose here, we have Europe, Oceania, and we have also or other things, other countries. I mean, you choose your country, and then here we have how to earn with paid surveys and 3 easy steps. Sign up, answer, and get paid. So to earn money, all you have to do is receive invitations to participate in surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Each survey you complete will earn you money. And Metro Opinion typically provides a range of topics for various interests. To maximize your earnings, regularly check your account for new survey opportunities. Ensure you complete surveys thoroughly and honestly, and strive to meet any qualification criteria. Additionally, maintaining an active profile and promptly responding to invitations can help you secure more surveys and consequently increase your overall earnings. So this is how it works with Mutual Opinion, and let's move on to the last one. We have Appen. So to make money on Appen, all you have to do is begin by signing up and creating a profile on their platform, which specializes in micro tasks and flexible work opportunities related to artificial intelligence and data. After registration, all you have to do is access to various projects such as data annotation, transcription, and search engine, engine evaluation. To maximize your earnings, select tasks that align with your skills and interests and complete them accurately and efficiently. Appen offers flexible working hours so you can work around your schedule and take on multiple tasks to increase your income. Staying active and maintaining a good performance record can also lead to more job opportunities and higher paying assignments over time. So this is how it works with these 5 jobs, and this is it for Appen also. And you can also read this information to more detail about Apple or other websites like Meter Opinion and Survey Time and Promos and Fairfiction and PaperThrough and up on the last one. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.